All right, you yelling too, by the way.
That's the way I'm used to. Just,
okay, I feel
is it gonna mess up the sound?
It might be distorted because it's pumping red. You just gotta just talk normal.
That's my normal. I'm Italian, bro.
Yeah.
What you mean?
All right, let's get it. Nah, you good. You good.
I'm Italian, bro. We talk, you know what I'm saying?
Talk from the
What
chest.
you doing over here, huh? What's going on, everybody? It's Joe Giunta with Trend Trading Academy. You know I'm here to help you trade and get paid. I got my man Jay Wayne with me from Team Take Profits.
What's up, y'all? Hey, I appreciate Joe for having me on. It's always a pleasure to serve and lace y'all up in the Trade and Get Paid community, man. Y'all know we got you.
You already know. You got to go to that channel over there, Jay Take Profits. Hit subscribe, hit that little bell, get the notifications, because he's lacing you up over there, guys. In today's video, it's going to be powerful. This is Make Moves Monday. What do we talk about? Motivation, mindset, and trading psychology. So today, we're going to talk about how to take the emotion out of trading. You ready for that? Because I promise you, that's going to take you to the next level. If this video is good for you, if you're getting a lot of value from it, go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe. If you're ready to become a student, go ahead and go to trendtrading.academy. We're going to get you right over there. We're going to teach you from beginner, intermediate, and advanced. I promise you, it'll be the best decision you ever made. Let's go ahead and get to the video.
Have faith in your mind, have faith in your grind, invest in yourself, transform in your time. Have faith in your mind, have faith in your grind, invest in yourself, transform in your time. Trade and get paid, trade and get paid, trade and get paid, trade and get paid, trade and get paid.
All right, guys, so let's just jump right into it. We're talking about how to take the emotion out of trading. And honestly, as I look through my comments and I look through, my Facebook messages and Instagram messages, this is basically one of the biggest questions I get all the time. How people are basically, they get into a trade and maybe they're in profit and they get kind of scared, so they get out, and then it goes into major profit and they miss out. Or they get into a little bit of profit and they get real scared and they want to hold on for the profit, and then it goes the other way on them. And basically they're making a lot of decisions based on what they feel in the moment and not based on what the chart is telling them to say. All right, so Jay, let's talk about that for a second, man. You've been trading, you do your thing, man. What do you do? What's the secret to taking emotions out of trading?
Here's my opinion. And some of you guys already know which angle I'm going to take with this. My thing is, you shouldn't be trading live to begin with. You should be starting on demo. All right, forget all the naysayers that say demo isn't worth it, start real. Right. Just forget them. Let them do their own thing. Let them play around with their own money and blow it, all right? You can trade on demo the right way, and that's gonna start showing you where you're messing up at. That's where you can start. You're not gonna get everything out of your system, like all the mistakes and all the emotional roller coasters. It's not gonna completely take it away, but you're gonna what you're doing demo for is to get a lot of those mistakes out of your system. All right. Oh, I entered too early. Oh man, I'm messing up. Why did I do that? I knew I shouldn't have entered right there. Why did I do that? The demo account is for that. All right, so that's part of when you do that, you start to trade emotionally. You getting a bad entry, now you don't know if you should just cut the loss or hold it, and some people hold it hoping that it goes their way, emotionally trading, right? So for 6 months, I want you guys to find a strategy that works, and we have plenty of them, all right, that work, all right, methods of trading, right? And I want you to back test it for 6 months to a year minimum, right? And that's gonna start showing you what to look for. What are you're gonna start dialing in your entry point, knowing where to put that stop loss and take profit. Do you see where I'm getting at? Because now you have all your parameters checked. All right, that's my entry. Price gotta come to me for me to get in. I'm not gonna enter right off this breakout that's way up here. That's a bad price point. Price gotta come to me. Boom. That's one emotional things out the way. You just avoided that. All right, so then you're going to start to know how to put your stop loss in the proper place and don't get stopped out all the time. and then price go your way. So you're going to be doing that for 6 months to a year. When it's time to go live, it's going to be a smooth transition, right? I'm not trying to talk too much, but this is like what I've done.
Yeah.
And I have all my students do the same thing, and it works, right? So when you're demo trading and when you're back testing, I want you to back test with strict rules. When you're on demo, don't take 10,000 trades a day. Trade it like it. You said something in the group today.
Yep.
You said your demo account is your live account until you start the real live account.
Right.
So that's powerful. It makes sense. And then one last thing. Once you get to that point where you're trading and you know what you're looking for, don't just go to the bathroom, hop on the toilet, and then say, oh, let me see what trade I can get into. You already know people be doing that. Oh, I'm just waiting for my son to get out of school, get off the bus or whatever.
Right.
Let me just see what a trade I can. Bro, look, team, we have a lot of power in our hands on that phone that we can make a lot of money real quick. We have a lot of power in our hands with that phone and the trading, right? It's just at a push of a button, all right? That's a great responsibility, all right? And we cannot take it lightly.
Right.
All right, we have to trade responsibly, okay? So don't be just jumping in trades trying to play one candle going up, the next candle going down, type of stuff, all right? So here's the thing. I'm going to end it with this, and I'm going to send it to Joe. No setup, no trade, all right? No setup, no trade, all right? If you don't have a trade set up, do not enter into that. Because when you have a trade set up, you know where your entry is going to be. You know where the stop loss and take profit going to be. You feel me? And that's going to alleviate most of those emotions when you have that trade set up in place. It gives you the blueprint.
Right. And that's coming from somebody who has done it. You know, this ain't theory. You know, we're not just reading from a book and telling you what some book says. This is, you guys know Jay Wayne. You go to the channel, you can see what's popping, right? So this is from somebody who started from having to learn how to even open up a broker account, having to learn what is support and resistance, what is a trend line, all this kind of stuff.
Blue accounts.
Blew some accounts, made some mistakes, and has, in the right context, continued to learn and learn to become a successful trader and a very profitable trader. So you're hearing it right from the horse's mouth, as they say, right? You're hearing it from somebody who's been there and done that, right? That's mindset 101. You want to learn from somebody who's been there. Some of y'all listening to your broke uncle telling you what you're supposed to do, and he's sitting there on the couch broke. You know what I mean? Like, I ain't trying to knock your uncle, but you feel what I'm saying, right? If you want to learn to do something, learn from somebody who knows how to do it, and not just who read it from a book, but somebody who has done it, who has proven success. So that's powerful stuff right there. Secondly, and you guys have heard me talk about this before, think about the skill set aspect of it. When you do the proper preparation, that's how you take emotions out of your trading. Most people who trade emotionally, that is because what is emotion? It's something that you feel. It's something that's on the inside. Well, emotion is caused by something. Emotion just doesn't happen. You don't just feel some type of way. You feel a way because something is going on that's causing you to feel a certain way. So if you're trading emotionally, it's because something has happened to trigger an emotion, right? And so when those emotions, what emotion is it that you're trading? Is it a emotion of fear? Is it the emotion of overconfidence? Is it the emotion of greed? Is it the emotion of I need? So what emotion is driving you to trade? Here's how you take the emotions out of it. When I have done the preparation and I have gone through and I know assuredly in my mind that the skill set that I have determined to learn was applied to this trade setup. When I went and I marked the chart up, I knew because I have been studying, I measured. I made sure I went through my checklist. I made sure that this trade fit my trade plan. I made sure that nothing was outside of the structure of how I trade. And it didn't matter how good it looked. If it didn't fit my trade plan, I didn't take it, right? So once you are in a place where your discipline allows you and your skill set allows you to see your checklist, this particular trade meets all the criteria of my trade plan. when you go into that trade, you're going to be confident, and your emotions aren't going to get the best of you, because now you're not relying on the greed, the fear, or whatever else. You're relying on the skill set, and you have a level of confidence that most people won't have, because you know assuredly that you did due diligence to find this trade. You know that whatever you're getting into, buy, sell, whatever it might be, swing, scalp, you know you did the proper work to make sure it was good. And when you have that level of preparation and confidence, fear can't get a hold of you. When you have that level of preparation and confidence, greed can't get a hold of you, because you know you're sticking to the structure of your plan. That is how you take emotions out of it, right? Emotions are always going to be part of it. But here's the thing, guys, and here's the powerful nugget I want to leave you with. There's not a single person on the planet, and mark this down, all right? I promise you, this is powerful. There's not a single person on the planet, from the most successful traders in the world to your brand new traders, that don't trade with emotion. Every single person trades with emotion, but it's the right emotions you have to trade with. You know what I trade with? I replace fear and greed and overconfidence and the desire that I absolutely have to get more. I replaced that with my why. I replaced it with love. I replaced it with desire. Why? What does that mean? What are you talking about? Well, I no longer trade with fear. I practice my skill set, and I know that I've perfected it, and I stick within my trade plan. And what emotion drives me to do that? It's the love for my wife. It's the love for my children, to provide for them, to have something, to be able to leave a legacy behind. That drive that's in me, that's what helps me to stick to my structure. So I am trading emotionally, but I'm taking the wrong emotions out of it, and I'm putting the right emotions into it. See, I trade with love. I trade with desire. I trade with passion. Those emotions will take you to success. Fear, greed, that kind of stuff, that's the emotions that people say don't trade with. And I'm just telling you today, don't trade with fear. Don't trade with greed. Don't trade with envy. You got to be like the next person. Oh, they caught 20 pips. You got to catch 20 pips. Stop all that. That's nonsense. What is driving you? Passion, love, desire. Those emotions, along with discipline and structure, will take you to the promised land. It will take you all the way, guys.
Yes, sir. Powerful.
All right, guys, there you have it. I hope this video helped you. Make Moves Monday, motivation, mindset, trading psychology. It's not getting emotion out, it's getting the wrong emotion out, right? So I hope this really helped you to put some things in perspective. I hope it helped you to, really get the right mindset going into your trading, because I believe in you. You can do this. Apply what you're learning, both on the YouTube channel and from TTA, Trend Trading Academy, and couple that with the right emotions and the right structure, and you're going to go places. You're going to win. All right? That's why we do this. Jay, thank you for being on the channel today, man.
Hey, man, no problem, bro. Always got you, man. Come through for your people. I appreciate, and I love all the Trading Get Paid family.
Absolutely. So, guys, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, trendtrading.academy, become a student. Let's get this, all right? So I'll see you on the next video. Peace.